Civil engineering technician is an occupation which is currently in high demand in Australia. In this video, we will discuss the requirements to obtain a positive skill assessment as a civil engineering technician. This is the first step of your skill migration process. In the recent 189 invitation round, which happened on the 7th of November 2024, civil engineering technician was invited with just 70 points. Yes, you heard it right, 70 points. So you can imagine it's an in-demand occupation in Australia. So, civil engineering technicians conduct tests of construction materials, prepare sketches and tabulations, and assist in estimating costs in support of civil engineering professionals and engineering technologists. So, the specializations of this occupation include civil engineering assistant, civil laboratory technician, geotechnical laboratory technician, transport engineering technician, and this is not covered in ANZSCO. So, I would be looking at these three specializations specially. We will look at the qualification requirement. Now, for this occupation, you need to satisfy both the qualification and the work experience requirement. So, if your qualification is in a highly relevant field of the occupation, now we will discuss what are the highly relevant fields. Then you will require at least 1 year of highly relevant post-qualification, post-qualified employment at an appropriate skill level completed within the last 5 years. If the qualification is not a highly relevant field, then you will require 2 years of highly relevant post-qualified work experience in the last 5 years. So, what would be the highly relevant fields? You will require AQF, diploma or higher in one of these fields: civil engineering or engineering drafting, civil design. Qualifications in certain engineering fields may be accepted on a case-by-case basis. Now, that is something we will have to look into your profile, your qualifications, the subjects you have done, your academic transcripts, and your work experience, and properly decide on if your qualification and work experience is a match. So that is something we will have to discuss on a one-to-one basis. So this also lists out some of the highly relevant tasks. I wouldn't go into all the details, but collecting and analyzing data and carrying out computations, inspecting civil engineering work, conducting field and lab tests, testing and evaluating construction materials, and so forth. So, like I said, it's a in-demand occupation, invited with just 70 points for the 189 visa. If you are a civil engineering technician, a civil engineering profession, reach out to us today, and we are happy to assess your profile and see if you're eligible for general skill migration.